Hi, I'm Bill, the store manager at our Charlotte, North Carolina location. Let me start by sharing that we are a family-owned company proudly celebrating our 30th anniversary. At Carpet to Go, you'll find a wide variety of flooring options for your home or business, but most importantly, you'll find people. Whether it's your salesperson, installer, or someone behind the scenes who truly care about making your experience the best it can be. Because at Carpet to Go, we understand that making your house feel like home starts from the ground up. Let me tell you a little bit about what you'll find at our Charlotte location. We offer a large variety of flooring, including carpet, luxury vinyl, laminate, engineered hardwood, and ceramic tile from trusted brands like Shaw, Dreamweaver, Mohawk, and our in-stock brand, Deacon. We also keep a large stock of carpet, LVP, and laminate on hand, allowing for quick turnaround from selection to installation. Our installers are the best in the business. We wouldn't have made it 30 years without them. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, contractor, or installer, we have what you need in stock every day, ready to go. We even carry the tools you'll need to get the job done. We are sure that when you visit our store, you'll get all the information you need to make your flooring decisions. Whether you purchase from us or not, we believe you'll leave with the knowledge and the confidence to choose the right flooring for your space.